Welcome to CIT Tech Tips. My name is Matt, and today we'll be going over monitors. Here are the two example monitors I will be using. One of them is an older model, which is a VGA, and one of them is a newer model, which is an HDMI. The older model I'm including for reference, as you might have a setup that uses it, and it looks like this, has a cord like this, and it plugs into the back just like an HDMI. The newer model is an HDMI, which is the standard now, and it has video, audio support, all the features that you need. To plug it in, you're going to want to look for this port on your monitor or on your desktop computer. If you do not have a port that looks like that, you might have a port that looks like this. So you would have to use a VGA if you have that. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your HDMI cord or whatever cord you're using. You're going to want to plug it in. After that, you're going to want to go over and plug in your monitor power, which I've already done on my setup. Then you're going to want to check to see if it's working. It might take a few seconds to pop up for your monitor, so you always want to check that it's on. So let me press the on button. Doesn't seem to be working, so let me press the on button again. Computer might be sleeping. And there we go. That's very simple. Now, if you don't have a monitor, here are some monitors for you. Now, if you're looking for a gaming monitor, then the Asus ROG Swift is your best option. This monitor is commonly used for esports and also used for fast-paced gaming. It has a 360 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty good. And an RGB display on the back, so like it lights up and stuff. And it has an HDMI port, which is pretty cool, and a display port. It costs $399.99 and also has a 24.5-inch display. For that price, that's a great monitor. Now, if that's not your style, try a curved monitor like the LG 34WN80CB. This monitor has a whopping screen size of 34 inches. That's bigger than the other one. Now keep in mind this is a curved screen, so of course it's different than the other one. And it has a higher price tag, and the refresh rate's only 60 Hz. The monitor's worth it. Really long lifespan, over 505-star reviews, and it comes with the USB-C power cord, and it also costs $547. But because of the USB-C cord, you can input it into some things like your phone. You can power through your phone. I don't know why you want to do that though, but you can. And now on to the next one. Looking to just do some office work, then you would like the Dell S2722QC. This monitor is not made for gaming, so it doesn't need anything above 60 Hz. Although, it is a 4K monitor and has a USB-C port. And USB-C is used for both charging and as a USB. The 27-inch screen is also good for multitasking. This comes in at a price of $577.99. That too expensive? Well then, try the Asus VGA 246H. This has a 75 Hz refresh rate for the low price of $189. That's pretty good. A downside of the monitor though is it only has a single HDMI port, and even though it works pretty well for gaming, it has some issues like the colors can be off, the contrast is really bad, the blending of the black and gray, those are really, really bad. So this is kind of something like your first monitor instead of being something that you would actually really use to game that much on. For this video, make sure to check out the CIT Tech Tips website, channel, and podcast. And also, I will be uploading more to this series things like computers, gaming headsets, keyboards, mice, other PC hardware and software related things. So give it a check out when I upload more. Bye!